Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads. Thank you.
Get familiar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar.
Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvivan here. So guys, today's video is going to be much more interesting because in this video I'll be showing you that how you can update your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro to MIUI 12. So that's the latest version from MIUI smartphones. So before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also you press the bell icon so that when we upload a new video you could get notification first. So you have to watch this video till the end. So guys, let's get started and let's see how to update. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. So first of all, you will find a link in the video description. So you just have to open. I have already copied the link. So that's our website. Here you can see we have already published the article about MIUI 12 for Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So you can check our website. So scroll down from here. You have to scroll down, and here you can see there are the download options. You can read the change logs from here, and that's the download section. And here you have to download the firmware. So to download, you just have to click on this download MIUI 12 beta. So that's the beta version. MIUI 12 the main version is not released, so you have to install the beta. So click on download and it will start downloading. So here you can see it has already started downloading, and server is quite faster. And then you have to download MI Flash Tools. So to download MI Flash Tools, you have to click here. So you can download from mirror links and download. Just click on download and it will start downloading. Sorry guys, I'm downloading one, that is why my internet speed is too slow. So let me resume this one. Click on mirror link and select your drive account, and it will ask for permission, and then will start downloading. So downloading from Google Drive. So that's easy. So let's download. It will start downloading, guys. Don't escape, wait here. So I'm escaping the video. After downloading this, I will resume it. So guys, here you can see the flash tool is almost downloaded. So the flash tool is downloaded. Here you can see 100% completed. So that's the flash tool. That is the flash tool, and you have to move this to your computer. So let's download ADB drivers. Download ADB and fastboot drivers, installer and fastboot tools. Download, click on download and click here to start download on this button, and it will start downloading. So let's download it. Here you have to click on this primary download. Just click on it and it will start downloading. So here you can see started downloading. Press back button, and here you have to download MIUSB drivers. So just click on download, and select your browser or Mega application. So here you can see mega.nz. Just click on it and download. You have to click on this download button. Here you can see You can also open with Mega app if you have it. Just click on it and it will start downloading. So here you can see it has started downloading. So let it be downloaded. Let's go back to our site. So here you have to do, guys, last thing, so I can show you how to update in this video. So you can watch a video how to update. So here is the video link. Here you can see that's the video. Just click on it. Click on this red button up here. You can see click on this red button and it will redirect you to YouTube and you can watch how to update it. So you must have a computer. So if you have a computer, then you can update your smartphone. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, then you can hit the subscribe button, and also you can press the bell icon so that when you upload a new video you can get notification. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay home, stay safe.
Hey guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon to get notification of our recent uploads.